What happens when the ubiquitous network becomes the equally ever-present sensor and data collector? The Internet of Things becomes the Internet of Everything.
Today, 99% of the world is unconnected. And one of the things that IOE really does is it brings people, process, data, and things together to make network connections more relevant and valuable than they ever were before.
In our interview, we got Bill Kastelic of Cisco Systems to give us some examples of how companies were leveraging this Internet of Everything today. We went from maintenance in gold mines, hundreds of feet underground, to Cisco's very own smart building.
It's really turning that information into actions that can create new capabilities, richer experiences, and unprecedented opportunities for individuals, companies, and governments. And Goldcorp is a great example of someone who's really embraced the Internet of Everything. It's one of the fastest growing senior gold producers in the world, and their vision is really to connect people, machines, systems, vehicles, and processes really to improve the safety and productivity in mining. And they really improved worker safety with real-time location tracking of people and equipment using wireless technology.
Improving worker safety is great, but Goldcorp didn't stop there.
They actually put 3 applications in one, and what they're actually doing in one of those applications is really ventilation as a service, in a sense that they know where the people and the equipment are in the mine, and they then turn on the ventilation system as required. It really is reducing costs, whereas before the ventilation systems were on completely all the time. Now they're shutting them down when there's people and equipment not required in that area. One of the other things that we really did was a two-way communications with vehicles. So they send operational data and location data up to a central site, which we can do proactive maintenance on, for example, look at all the trending that's going on, analyze what's going on, and then basically provide proper maintenance in a proper location at the right time.
Cisco's own smart building is another great example of how the Internet of Everything is transforming how we operate our buildings.
The connected building is a great example of us at Cisco moving into a brand new building, which is really completely IP enabled. Typically you have disparate networks, one for alarm, one for HVAC, one for lighting. Today, right now, that building is one IP-based network. So when you have one connected network, it's basically IP enabled, which can be monitored from a central location, can be monitored from an IP phone, from a remote location. So just the functionality of that network is improved and the efficiencies of operating network is improved. The amount of reduced cabling costs, the amount of reduced electrical costs due to power over an Ethernet to basically power the HVAC system or the lighting system is imminent. And also, if you look at the alarm system and the lighting system, you can kind of integrate those two services and basically state that in case of a disaster, the alarm system can notify the lighting system and a new lighting system can be put in place to help people evacuate the building. So there's multiple integrations within those services that are being looked at as advantageous to a company or a property management company.
The possibilities are amazing, but we'll have some challenges.
The volume of data is going to be doubling every 2 years up until 2020. Those are the predictions. And with IOE, you can definitely see that the mobility, the cloud, the data analytics, or big data and analytics is really fueling the Internet of Everything. And those global volumes are going to become consistent with some of the trends that are happening out there. So volumes are going to be massive.
Incredible potential, some big challenges. Are you up for it? Join Bill and I in our next episode where we'll look at what's next in the Internet of Everything.